Hari Om students. Today we are going to talk about chapter 13 Python and CSV files. In general, Python has a number of predefined applications, predefined functions. For example, mathematical functions, string function, character function and so on. Okay, vast library of modules. The CSV file is one of the module in Python. What do you mean by CSV? It is a human readable text file. In this file, each line has a number of fields. That is, the lines are separated by commas and some other delimiters. Delimiters means punctuators. The expansion of CSV is comma separated values. The expansion of XLS is Excel sheets. The difference between XLS and CSV is Excel is a binary file that holds information about all the worksheets in a file. Here, each and every records are stored in a spreadsheet format. Okay, but in CSV file is a plain text format with a series of values or separated by comma operator. XLS file can only read by that application only, but CSV file can be opened in any text editor. The example for text editor is Notepad, OpenOffice Writer, MS Excel, StarOffice Writer, etc. The extension of Excel is XLS or XLSX. The CSV is .csv. This is the extension of CSV file format. The one more difference is that Excel consumes more memory but CSV consumes less memory, and also it import the data at very slow in Excel, but in CSV is faster than Excel. Excel file cannot be opened in text editor, but CSV file is opened in any text editor. CSV file is a simple file format. The main purpose of CSV file is store the data in tabular form such as spreadsheet or database. CSV file can open in any spreadsheet program, and also one of the disadvantages are there. CSV file cannot store charts or graphs, and also it doesn't contain formulas, macros and some formatting options. The next concept is creating a CSV file using Notepad. First you will open the text editor Notepad and then select the file menu and then click the new option from the file menu. Otherwise, using the shortcut key Ctrl+N and then type the following details such as topic 1, topic 2, topic 3 and so on. This document is typed in Notepad application and then save the document using the extension .csv. You give the file name and then then you give extension CSV and then open this file in the Excel or any spreadsheet application or database application. Okay, this is the typed document in Notepad. This document is open in Excel. Look like this. Okay, each data are stored in a rectangular box. Okay, the next concept is creating CSV file that contains comma with data. Here look like this. This is the given data. In CSV file, the fields of data were separated by comma, but in this given data, the address field contains two data, that is Chennai and Mylapore. Here we use Mylapore, Chennai. The Chennai is stored in another field. So the data is displayed within a single column. We give the data within double quotes. Okay, that only display the data. Look like this. If we enclose the fields in quotation mark, that is single quotes, the output is look like this. The next concept is creating CSV file that contains double quotes with data. Sometimes we give the data within double quotes. For that situation, we give the data in CSV file double quotes within double quotes. Okay, that only the data is displayed within double quotes in Excel sheet. Thank you, students.